Good morning, everyone. It's Leah here with Ode to Paper. I'm here to show you my unboxing of my Nicole Jones 911 Designs digital embellishments for this month. So I've printed out, I have 3 different sets here, and I'll explain that. The first one are the free ones that she sent out to her, her regular customers, people that have purchased, anybody that's purchased anything in the last 5 years. She sent out some free files. So we have the 2-inch presents, the large presents, and then the deep teal Christmas lights. So what I wanted to show you, and Nicole has done this before, is showed you the difference between printing a regular format and then printing as a photo with a high quality format. So it basically uses more ink, but the colors are definitely way brighter. So this is the regular ink, not high quality, so normal quality. This is the high quality, and what I do is tell my printer that I'm using matte photo paper, and it switches automatically to the high quality. So the color difference is quite big. This is so much more vibrant, but if this is a look you're going for, it is a way to save money when you're printing them out. It uses less ink. So I thought I'd show you that. So those are the free files that she sent out to her customers. Then I went in and chose my design team files. And what I chose to do this month was complete some of my collections. So I printed out some of the small labels because these, I think, are my favorite labels to use. So I've printed out the colors that I needed to complete my collection. So I have the blue, the turquoise, the purple, pink, and some of the assorted collection. So this is apples and oranges that I accidentally printed on regular printer paper, but I'm still going to use them. They're going to work just fine. This is a Summer Carnival and a Radiant Rainbow and Pastel Paradise. So I've completed that collection. I think that one's completed. Not 100% sure on that. This one I have completed. This is the 2-inch viewfinder. So I printed out the Pastel Paradise. I needed the bright orange and the peach, and that completes that collection for me. And then I have the journaling labels, and I didn't have many of these at all, so I basically took the whole collection. So we have the grays, greens, there's a dark gray, the brown, we have the orange, the blue, the yellow, the turquoise, the red. I love the variations on each page. The purple, pink, peach, and I believe this is the darker orange. So yeah, so that's what I did with my, it's for my design team files. These are files, embellishments that I will use on everything. So they're not theme specific. The colors are wonderful because there's such an assortment of colors. So you can match them to anything. Same with the viewfinders and the labels. I will use them on anything and everything. These are Christmas. They will go in my Christmas file. All right. So that's what I chose for my design team files. Now, you know, of course, I can't stop there. Once again, I went back in and I purchased the Christmas words. Now, I did not print them out all out. These are only half of the files, but they are wonderful. Let me see if I can find a better, easier one to read. So these have words like gathering, snow, happy holidays, bells, laughter, candy, Santa, cookies, Christmas. All of those great Christmas words. But then you also have words that can be used anytime, like family, cooking, decorating, hope, season, tradition even, lights, cold, magic, love. Presents can be used on, you know, birthday gifts, peace, laughter. There's just so many great words, and I love to add words to my layout. I like to add one word to each cluster. So whether it's the printables, usually it's the printables, but sometimes they're little stickers as well. So yeah, that's my unboxing video for January for Nicole Jones 911 Designs. I will have a link down below to the files that I have purchased, and also I'll have down below a discount code that you can use to save 10% off of your order, and that includes our classes. And that code is capital letters LEAH 10. So that's Leah 10, and you'll get 10% off your orders. Okay? Have a great day, and I'll see you soon with some layouts using these files. Bye-bye.